Alright, y'all, so this is our location. This is a catering what?
This is an equipment store.
Equipment store. I'm here sniffing freaking allergies and pollen. That's big. Two. Oh, God. Oh, 2/3 size. We gonna be in here for a minute, ain't we?
Not necessarily. I don't want to.
You don't want to, or you want to?
I don't want to.
Oh, okay. Like she just would have a field day up in here. I got what you need.
Wow.
I'll give you all this for your video.
Okay,
if it ain't too long. I'll break it down for you and send it to you.
Show a cotton candy machine.
Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Here, look, the cotton candy the cotton candy machine. Oh, $617. I thought it said 61. Look at the fry trays. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Ashtrays for the red. This is neat. I got what you need.
Hot.
It is hot in here. It's always hot in these dang factories. No.
Is that normal? 120.
What? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Go.
$5,000. $5,500.
No, 5,000.
Oh, toaster oven.
Oh.
I wonder how much this one. How much this is. See, it's when it's back, it has to go forward. $750. Hot buy. It's been marked down to how much? $1,500. It was $17.
Cool. Yeah.
You gonna get one?
Maybe. Oh man. This is on your left. Oh man. I really do need it, but yeah, I need it. Oh man.
That's huge.
That's all $22.
Really? That's really
No,
not
man.
bad for that bowl. I'm gonna record this whole time. Now you want me to record you? Whipping and flipping?
Well, I thought you would give me anyway.
Uh-huh.
Yo, this is big. $5.
There we go.
You want to record the whole thing?
No, I was recording. It was zoomed in too much. I was having to pull my arm out. Not pull it out. Pull it in. That's what it was. Because it was so close.
Here. Who made that? Oh, she's gonna fall. Come on. Give me your hair. Give me here. Give me here. Thank you.
That's the truth
That
right there.
thing's huge. This is what you need for your cake hunch. Just one of these little things.
Oh.
Take it and ball up and do good.
I'll have to come back. Let me see. Ooh. That's the thing that they put when they got those gas. They're using the propane stuff.
Oh, okay.
Or they using the restaurants. Girl, that's for those big crabs and those big bowls that you having. What, those big things, pots of rice they have. Facts. You 6,000. As low as four. What, really?
Are they saying I can rent this? Bet.
Really? Really? She can use that. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. They got the whole shebang here. The whole 9 yards.
This is exactly what I need, for real. This is all I need. This is it. That is it. That's it.
Y'all, look. All right, 4,300. Put the PayPal down there. You gonna put the pay down? PayPal. PayPal. Don't forget to put it down below.
What is it?
That's 3,000.
I'm at
You gonna open it? You tried? I don't think you tried. I didn't see you move. I don't want to lie to you like that. Because I definitely don't know. It's like the place they be having at the Golden Corral and stuff. The buffets. Like salt shakers, cheese graters, creamer. Oh, that's the cheese shaker. When they eat in the kitchen with the pizza. Oh, shot glasses.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you all sell plastic containers? Like salad, like salad, like fruit salad? Okay. So I'm making my way. Okay.
Yeah, this whole area right over here
Okay.
is our disposables.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
My first time coming in here, I'm like going crazy. I just want you to know that.
Well, all right. So, yeah, roll my food out. I don't have many. So there's one of the little ones. Here's one of the big ones. So normally I have a 5x5, a 6x6, then an 8x8, and a 9x9.
Okay. Okay.
So this will work. How many?
Oh, yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Thanks, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
$23.50. And how many you get?
125.
For real?
What is it?
That's a lot. That's going.
Just right before I buy it, 'cause I know Amazon got some too.
Really?
But I need it today, so I'm gonna buy it now. 23 divided by 125. I'm winning. I'm telling y'all. If you want to look it up, you search it yourself. But they do that. Shut up. Shut.
What? Cake boards. 97 cents, y'all. Y'all, she be needing cake boards, Y'all, she didn't hit the jackpot. She hit the jackpot. She finna buy this up today. If not, we're gonna come back another day. Look at her. Look at her. Who's
How much this board cost?
Dang, that one board. How much is it?
Like $3.
$3? That's $139.
How much this cost?
Well, friend, you know where to come when you need your stuff now. These are cheap. I mean, they cheap at the cake store too, but these are cheap.
These are cheaper. 33 cents for this?
Right.
She's trying to learn. It's $1. I'm winning.
Mm-hmm. So when are you gonna stock up?
The next time I come up in here, I ain't lying.
Look at Zion.
Listen, I don't care if it's around. We're just trying to face all day now. About to pass in.
Right. Golly. Even when I take it off to breathe, it's like I get a wave of wind. A heat. Wind that is heat. That's exactly what's going on.
Oh, this is only $3.74.
Really?
Oh, wait.
That's a lot. Girl. I ain't getting too much money. How many you get? I wanna make sure. Look, your restaurant always gonna have napkins, so I wanna make sure. Look, they go to coffee cups for the gas station and stuff. That's big. Y'all, this is 5,000. And y'all, she needs some of this. PayPal. Man, that's 13 days. 670,000. Ooh, that's a lot of money. 670. They got booze. You gonna get you one? How much? Oh, you just don't wear it. She got my shoes. Even coming to this little store is a whole video. It's 15 minutes long. I know. These some big shot glasses. I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get like 2, 3 of them. I'm gonna get 3 of them. These some big ones. These for big boy shots. You only spent $31?
We have people coming every day to sit down over here. Really? Yeah, you know. Yeah, like it's so many things that I don't look past that I didn't see. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot to sort of take in and see it all. Seriously, literally start at one corner and go up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Zion, say hey. It is huge. There's a lot of stuff.
Are you serious? Oh, I'm glad I come in because.
You would have brought up the whole
Oh
center.
my goodness. I love it. I'm coming back.
I know it.
For real.
Just let me know when. I'll be ready.
For me. And I'll just proud of myself. Thank you. Thank you. You have a good day. You too. Come on, baby. Come on. You can't do that. No.
Come on, Zion.
How are you?
Hmm.